So this is for Andre's benefit. That's the famous Andre Rousseau, star of the RC Afterhours podcast. This is the Xiaomi Mijia action cam. It's the best quality action cam I've tried. I'm just doing a bit more recording with this camera to check out the audio recording because I haven't actually tested it all that much. I thought the video quality with this camera was the best of any cameras I've tried, but let's see how the audio goes. It's a little bit of wind around, not much at all, really beautiful day, and I'm testing out the iNav installation on my Ranger 1600. Let's go. So now this is recording with my Mobius with the modded external microphone on my hat, which just gives me the best audio, I reckon. Plane's flying beautifully. It's trekking off, keeping altitude, so I'll bring it back. That's pretty good. I'm going to try the loiter mode now. Horizon mode. Oh, that works well. That works better now. I've tilted the nose up a little bit. Always weird turning the plane in horizon mode. Seems to resist it. But it's a nice stabilised mode. Which it's doing. Yeah, that's working well. That will just keep circling. Makes all the difference having no wind around. Alright, so return to launch, that'll climb to 50 metres and circle around above me. And it's doing that nicely now. Even though I can't see it. Altitude hold, let's just click off down the field. This is flying away, so just bring it home now. 62 dB. Flying on 5 amps current, 4 amps. Don't even have to look at the plane. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. It's coming back now. So this is all working very well. I wonder how the audio sounds. There's the plane up there. Bearings are sounding a bit funny in my plane. Glide it in from there. It's a bit rough. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of the audio in perfect conditions, a little bit of wind. See you later.